Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 error code 127. If you want to fix it, click here and then type game mode settings, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, go back, go to Windows update settings. Now check for updates and make sure to install the latest updates for your Windows, and then go back and then go to GeForce Experience and now go to drivers. Now all you have to do just install the latest update that you can find here. Click check for updates and install it. Now restart your computer and then go to task manager, click memory to see application that takes your memory. Now close all the applications that you don't need. After that your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.